With more rain expected tonight, one Chicago agency is looking for ways to help keep that water out of homes. The Water Reclamation District now on the hunt for places to install projects that could help with flooding. CBS 2's Marybel Gonzalez takes a look at what is already working in Harwood Heights.
This is very good.
Ayub Patel has lived in his Harwood Heights home for more than 15 years and has seen his share of flooding.
Before it was the water is coming even 1 or 2 inches rain.
But these last 2 years,
After this, no problem.
that's because his house sits right next to this alley known by the Metropolitan Reclamation Water District of Greater Chicago as a green alley.
They actually have stone and aggregate underneath the driving surface that allows water to sit and absorb and re-enter the earth instead of going into our sewer systems.
The Water Reclamation District says this paving has already absorbed thousands of gallons of water in the last couple of years. Neighbors telling us it's helped in more than one way.
Now no more puddle. Especially in the snow too. When it's melted, it's going.
This is the second project the district has worked on in Harwood Heights, but now they're looking to partner with other public departments in Chicago and Cook County on projects like green alleys and rain gardens, or lot transformations like this one at Wadsworth Elementary School to help with future flooding.
Perhaps you have an old parking lot that needs some renovation, and so we could really go in and take those hardscapes, which Chicago has a lot of, and turn those into permeable surfaces.
Right now, they're accepting applications through the end of the month. To date, their program has captured more than 18 million gallons of stormwater through these projects alone. They're hoping simple changes like these can make a big difference.
It can't solve everything, but it's definitely a piece of stormwater management.
Marybel Gonzalez, CBS 2 News.